In this video, I'm going to show you how to add realistic textures to ChatGPT. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT, we're going to log in or sign up. After you've logged into or signed up into ChatGPT, we're going to type this. And also this text will be in the video description down below. And it says, transform this emoji into a hyper-detailed 3D rendering made from soft felt fabric. Include visible seams, light fuzz and hand-sewn stitching. Use the exact colors with soft natural lighting on a white background. And right here, we're going to add the emoji. We're going to add the emoji. And this is the emoji that we added, this one. And then we're going to click on the black button. And usually this will take up to like 1, 2, 3, up to 5 minutes. ChatGPT just made the image. This is the image. So yeah, it does look really cool. So another thing what we can do is we can say transform this basketball into a cute hand-sewn plush toy. Use soft studio lighting and pure backdrop, shallow depth of field and ultra high resolution. Focus on plush texture and huggable appeal. And then we're gonna add again another photo, and we're going to add a photo of a basketball, and that's this one. So we're gonna do another realistic texture, and we're going to click on the black button again, and again this will take up to like 1, 2, 3, up to 5 minutes. So the image is being created. So this is the cute hand-sewn plush toy. So yeah, what do you think of it? I like it, it's cool. Another texture we can do is we can say this. Transform this emoji into an isometric 3D render with a glass texture. Add a soft inner glow and sharp rim lighting, and then use a pure white background as studio lighting. And we're gonna add again a picture, and this time we're gonna do a heart emoji, and that's this one. And then we're going to click again on the black button. This again will take like 1, 2, 3 or up to 5 minutes. And this is our glass image emoji. So this is our glass heart right now. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. I love it, ChatGPT. You can just do like everything you want. You can also just say to ChatGPT, hey, make the heart blue. And you can just tap enter and then it will make it blue. You can add sun. You can do like everything you would like, a texture, what you would like. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like. Comment down below if this worked for you. And yeah, if you would like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.